Hello everyone. In this video, I will introduce my G82 BMW M4 and the space JBRT Inje base camp right in front of Injespeedium racetrack, South Korea. Today, I will show you this vehicle, BMW G82 M4 Competition, and also I will show you the track performance of this car, and then I compare to the track performance of F87 M2 Competition and E92 M3. And first of all, you can see this front splitter with side tunnel. It's very similar to the parts of GT3 RS as you saw in previous video. And here, this one, carbon fiber rear GT wing with Swan-neck type, 1800 millimeters wide, and lightweight tuning. As you see, reduce of interior materials just a little bit. And the brake system, D1SPORTS Racing, made in Korea, 6-speed calipers, and JBRT custom disc rotor, and brake pads, Ferodo DS3.12, and the tire, NANKANG tire, AR1, front tire 275/35, 19 inches. Rear tire also NANKANG AR1. Tire size is 305 and 20 inches. Rear brake system also D1SPORTS rear 4P and JBRT custom disc rotors, and brake pads, Ferodo DS1.11, and the suspension, as you see, Ohlins DFV one-way suspension, and front suspension also Ohlins one-way suspension with JBRT customized setup, ride height and springs. I will show you one lap of time attack of this vehicle as follows, and after that I will compare to F87 M2 Competition and E92 M3. As you see previous onboard video, this vehicle is very slow in motion at several corners. It's not only because of the weight, over 1700 kilograms, but the track and wheelbase ratio. G82 M4 Competition has too long wheelbase to expect high performance on track, especially on corners. Unlike this vehicle, F87 M2 Competition has a good ratio of track and wheelbase ratio. As you can see, following video, M2 Competition has high cornering performance. Next video will be track performance of E92 M3, and you can compare to this vehicle. After watching E92 M3 performance, I'll explain more about this vehicle. even though we made every effort suspension setup to compensate this long wheelbase problem, it still have a low cornering performance. To solve this problem, in my opinion, the key point is the widening the track width, both front and rear. And then we should redesign the knuckles and links and other steering parts to have an optimized scrub radius and KPI and SAI. I think this wheelbase problem of G82 M4 Competition is very important because even E92 M3 has better track performance. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.